Friends, once again welcome back to my channel Active Education Pro. Today I am going to start another new interesting chapter. This is trigonometry of class 10 mathematics book, and here we are going to discuss about trigonometry. Trigonometry means it is a part of mathematics, just like you listen arithmetic, you listen geometry, mensuration, construction. Like trigonometry is a part of mathematics, and trigonometry means metry means measurement, and trigon means it's related to a triangle. It's related to triangle. Trigon means it's related to a triangle. Means it is a study about triangle, and special trigonometry means it is a study about ratios of its sides, and specially trigonometry refers to right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Here it is right angle triangle, and there are three sides. You know, triangle has three sides: this side, this side, and this side. And trigonometry means it is a study of ratio of angle and its sides. Trigonometry means study of ratio of angles and sides. Means with different value of angles, whenever it changes the value of angles, it changes its ratio. Means suppose this angle, here this is a right angle triangle, so this is 90 degree, this is right angle, and the other two angles are obviously these are acute angles, and acute angles vary from 0 to 89. This is not 90 degree, 90 degree is right angle. Whenever an angle is equal to 90 degree, this is a right angle triangle, and the angle varies from value from 0 to 89 degree, it's acute angle. So these two angles are acute angles, and its value varies from 0 to 89 degree. So for different value, there are different ratio. So for a right angle triangle, and especially in this trigonometry section, we study different values for different angles. Different values means different ratio according to their sides ratios for different values. Trigonometry has 6 ratios particular. This is one is sine, another is cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosec. These are 6 ratios. Remember, these are 6 ratios in trigonometry. These ratios belongs to trigonometry. These are side ratios. Okay, and we will study in my next video about different values. Means for 0 degree, what is the value of sine 0? What is the value of cos 0 degree, tan 0 degree, 30 degree, cos 30 degree, tan 30 degree, etc. So first of all, let's know the ratio about which two sides. Ratio derived between two elements, two factors. So there are 3 sides. Once again, I draw another right angle triangle. This is A, B, C. ABC is a right angle triangle 90 degree at B, right angle at B, and there are 2 other angles. This is A angle and C angle. If you consider the angle C, remember, if this value is theta, if the angle value is theta, for theta degree, C is theta degree, and you know C is a acute angle. Okay, this is theta degree. For C angle, remember, this one is hypotenuse. You know, this one is hypotenuse, denoted as H, and this one is perpendicular or base. Remember one thing, when you change angles, then you will change the two sides perpendicular and which one is base. Which one is perpendicular and which one is base. For angle C, the side adjacent to this angle, this is base. Means this angle is upon this line, this is base line, and the facing line of this angle is known as perpendicular line. Remember one thing, once again I repeat it. ABC is a right angle triangle at right angle at B, and C is an acute angle. A acute angle, C is also acute angle. From both these acute angles, first we consider C. So for C, AC is the hypotenuse. You know, every time the line face to right angle, this is hypotenuse, this is the largest side of this right angle triangle, and the other two sides, one is perpendicular side and another is base sides, and the side which is adjacent to the angle, the reference angle, here the reference angle is C, so this is B, base, and the angle, the side which is faced towards the angle, this is perpendicular side. If we consider this side, if you consider this angle A, if you consider this angle A, so this side, BC side is faced to this angle. So this will be perpendicular side. And the line adjacent to this angle, this is B. Remember one thing, for both angle A and C, hypotenuse is fixed. Hypotenuse is AC for any angle, for this right angle triangle. But whenever you change the name, whenever you change the reference angle of A or C, when you change the reference angle A or C, according to the name of acute angle A or C, the base side and the perpendicular sides will change its sides. Here for angle C, for reference angle C, AB is the perpendicular side, and for angle C, BC is the base side. Whenever you take the angle A as acute angle as reference angle, the side changed, BC is the perpendicular side and AB is the base side. For blue color marks, we denoted with blue letters, and for red color angle, for denoted C, which denoted angle C, this is with red color. In my next video, we will study details about different types of sines with ratio. Means sin theta. If you consider this angle, sin theta, what is the ratio? Ratio of these two sides, AB and BC and AC. We have to consider these three sides and find out the ratios. But for sine angle, for sine value, we have to take which two sides to find out the sine ratio of this angle theta. In my next video, we will study in details. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.